How to make your hair grow. Many women and men suffer because their hair doesn't grow enough or as fast as they want it to. Although your hair grows an average of almost 1.5 centimeters per month, cases of hair not growing enough multiply every day. It doesn't only have to do with how you treat your hair but also with internal issues such as diet or stress. Learn how to make your hair grow in the following article. Home remedies for faster hair growth. Healthy hair has more possibilities of growing faster. To make your hair look more healthy, you can try any of the following home remedies by applying them directly or consuming them. Olive oil with rosemary. Both ingredients allow your hair to grow easily and effectively. Just put a half cup of oil with 2 tablespoons of rosemary in the microwave and heat it for 2 minutes. Cover and let sit for 3 days and then apply by gently massaging it into your hair between shampooing and conditioning. Green tea. This infusion has many properties for your body, especially for making your hair healthy and strong. Drink green tea as many times a day as you want and enjoy its advantages. Natural oils and nuts. In order for your hair to grow strong, it's essential for your body to get vitamins B and E, which are found in vegetable oils, olive, corn, sunflower, avocados, and in vegetables and nuts. Add them to your diet now. Egg shampoo. Egg whites offer a lot of properties for your hair. To create this mixture, you should apply 3 egg whites to your hair. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then rinse it with plenty of warm water. Afterwards, wash it like normal. Boiled potato water. Wash your hair with the water left over from cooking potatoes. Let it sit for a few minutes, rinse, and then Washington. Nettle treatment. This is one of the most effective remedies to make your hair grow that exists. It helps nourish your hair and make it grow faster. Mix it in the shampoo that you normally use. Aloe vera and honey. Remove the pulp from a few aloe leaves and extract the pulp or aloe. Mix it with 2 tablespoons of honey and apply it to your scalp. Leave it in for 20 minutes and wash it normally. Onion. Mince a medium-sized onion and add it to your shampoo. Let it sit for 15 days and use it like always. This will make it grow quicker and be more shinier at the same time. Protein-filled breakfast. Start your day with a mixture of 1 tablespoon of soybean lecithin, wheat germ, honey, and beer yeast with yogurt. Tomato olive oil and aloe vera. Mix a tomato with a drop of olive oil and the pulp from an aloe leaf and apply it to your roots. Leave it in for as long as possible and rinse. Olive oil and milk. Drink a glass of warm milk, preferably on an empty stomach, with a teaspoon of olive oil every day. Plantains. Because of their vitamin E content, they make your hair grow longer. Crush a plantain and add a tablespoon of honey. Apply it to your roots, let it sit, and rinse. Tips on how to make your hair grow quicker. Besides using or trying these very effective home remedies, it's good to be conscious of some changes in lifestyle habits. Take note of the following tips so your hair grows quickly. Change your diet. Your daily diet influences how your hair looks a lot, which is why eating more foods full of nutrients and vitamins is a good option. Don't forget to add fruit, vegetables, lean meats, and fish to your diet. Raise your blood flow. In order for your hair to grow, there has to be more blood flowing around the area. To do this, gently massage your roots for 5 to 10 minutes a day. You can do it while you are applying or removing shampoo and conditioner, when you are watching television, or before going to bed. Consume more vitamin B. You can find it in oily fish, nuts, or legumes. Consume more vitamin E. It is found in avocados, apples, plantains, and vegetable oils. Cut your ends with the moon in the last quarter. Although it may be a myth or not, the truth is that this will make your hair strong and help it grow more in the next lunar quarter. Avoid extremely hot water. When you take a shower or wash your hair, don't use almost boiling water. Use warm or room temperature water. When you do the last rinse, always blast it with cold water to close capillary follicles. Flip your hair over when combing. Always do this from the root to the tips. Your brush should have wide bristles. This will increase blood flow to your head, which results in hair growth. Treat your hair well. Don't tie it very tightly, straighten it or use the blow dryer many times a week. Don't dye it with too many aggressive products or touch it when it's dry.